Hello students, in this video we will learn merge and split cell in a table and resizing column width and row height. So what is merging? Merging refers to combining two or more cells in a row or column into a single cell. You can see that in the diagram. So combine two or more cells into a single cell is called merging. To merge a cell, you can follow the given steps. First, select the cell to be merged. You can see that in the diagram. Here, I am selecting 4 cells to be merged. Second, click on Layout tab. And third, click on the Merge Cells option in the Merge group. Once again, I am repeating. First step is select the cell to be merged. Second step is click on the Layout tab. And third step is click on the merge cell option in the merge group. When you click on merge cell option, then the selected range of cell gets merged into a single cell. You can see that in the diagram. So this is very simple step to merge a cell in a table. Splitting cell is opposite of merging cell. Splitting refers to dividing a single cell into multiple cell. So you can see that in the diagram. So dividing a single cell into multiple cell is called splitting. To split a cell in the table, you can follow the given steps. First, position the cursor in the cell that you want to split. Second step is click on the Layout tab. After that, third step is click on the split cell option in the merge group. The split cell dialog box appears. Now in the split cell dialog box, fourth step is specify the number of row and number of column you wish to split the selected cell. So in the split cell dialog box, you can specify the number of rows or number of columns you wish to split the selected cell. Here I am taking 1 row and 2 columns. Then fifth step is click on the OK button. The selected cell is divided into the number of rows or columns as specified by you. You can see that. Here okay, so our cell is divided into 2 rows because in the split cell dialog box I am taking 1 row and 2 column. Then cell is divided into 2 row and 1 column. You can resize column width and row height by using mouse pointer or by using option available on the Layout tab. If you want to resize column width and row height by using mouse pointer, then place the pointer on the row border or column border. The pointer shape change to a double-headed arrow. Now drag the arrow up or down to increase or decrease row height or right or left to increase or decrease column width. If you want to resize column width and row height by using option available on Layout tab, then follow the given steps. First, select the rows or columns. Second step is click on the Layout tab. Third step is click on the Property button. And fourth step is specify the row height and column width. So this is very simple step to change row height and column width in the table. So students, I hope you have understood the concept of how can we merge the cell in the table, how can we split the cell in the table, and how can we resize cell in the table. In the next video, I will explain you formatting feature of table in the Microsoft Word.